We all think we know ourselves very well, but do we? Hi, I am Jyotsna Bidve, your self awareness and communication skills coach. And today I'm going to talk about self awareness. What does it really mean? And what are the signs that you are actually a self aware person? Self awareness means you know yourself so well that others do not. You know your thoughts, your emotions, your expressions, and where do they come. And you are being very honest about everything. For example, if we are hurt or we are angry, do we really accept that we are angry or we are upset or our ego is hurt? We usually do not. That means you are not a self aware person. Or sometimes, if there is some pain in your heart, do you really know why the pain is, or do you hold yourself responsible for the pain, or you blame others for it? What is it that happens? Because when you hold yourself responsible, it really means that you know yourself really well and you are a self-aware person. And one more thing that I would like to tell you is it's a never-ending process. Okay, you just need to start today and gradually you will build yourself up. So there is no high level goal. Let me come back and share with you what are the signs that you are a self-aware person. First, you reflect before reacting. You take a pause. You listen to the other person, think about it, and then respond. You do not react to anything that happens to your life without thinking. Number two, you accept feedback without any defenses. Many a times we feel people are criticizing us, they are blaming us, they don't see anything good in us. But have you ever reflected anything that people are saying, if there is a point in that? If there is a way we can improve, or there is a scope we can do something better than what we have been doing, do you check that, or do you immediately become defensive? Just contemplate. Number three, you know what your strengths and weaknesses are. It's very easy to say, but if you really think and start jotting down, you understand whether you really know your strengths as well as your weaknesses and you accept them gracefully. Number four, you know when any kind of emotion is arising in you. Many a times we are so unconscious and unaware of our own emotions, we don't even realize when we say something, we are saying it out of guilt or out of anger. So if you are a self-aware person, you will always know where is this expression coming from. Is it coming from frustration? Is it coming from anger or any other emotion? So you know your emotions exactly at the point when they're arising in you. And the fifth one, last but not the least, you accept everything that is there within you gracefully. You do not complain about it. You do not judge yourself for who you are. Even if you appear a little negative person to yourself, if you think you doubt yourself, even if you think you are over ambitious, whatever that you become aware of, you do not judge yourself, you do not rat yourself out, you accept it gracefully. If you have these 5 signs, that means you are a very well aware person. You know yourself very well, and that is the biggest foundation you can lay for yourself to any area you want to succeed. So all the best if you have all these things. If not, start building them from today onwards. And as we complete the video, let me know in comments what is one thing that you completely resonate with, and what is one thing that you need to work on, and how can I support you in this journey of becoming a more self-aware person. Take care, keep evolving, and I shall see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.